Hi, this is Tyler Wright from Carbonfi. I'm really excited today because I have a new design that I've been working on for about a year now, believe it or not, trying to get it down and polished. And this design is called the Solstice ring. It features carbon fiber and our Super Lume material on the inside. We make our own Super Lume material in-house. We call it Super Lume because it's brighter than anybody else's lume from what we can tell. And we're really excited to show you how we make this. What makes the Solstice ring unique is not only that it's carbon fiber and lume, but it's made with our Super Lume, and we mill the Super Lume so that the exterior stripe and inside liner are one solid piece. The reason that's important is because it helps boost the overall glow potential as well as the length of the glow's last. It lasts a lot longer when it glows because of that. It's very much like our Total or Super Lume rings, except for now it has carbon fiber for strength, and it's just a really, really nice design all the way around. We're gonna have some fun when we make it today too. First, obviously, we've got to start with cutting out the blanks. We always do this. We use diamond hole saws. We try to cut these things out as close to size as possible to save us time. The reason that time saving is important is because we can pass that savings on to you. So we try to be as efficient as we possibly can so that we don't have to charge you $500 for one of these rings. We can lower the price a little bit. Now, what's going to be fun today is we're going to actually do a lot of the cutting in the dark. And so I've turned off all the lights in the shop. I even came in super early in the morning, and we are going to charge up the ring and cut it. And you can actually see while you cut the ring that the glow will illuminate with the heat of each pass as it's cutting. It's really cool and it's really fun, and this is one of my favorite things to do. So as you can see here, we've now cut out the stripe, and the stripe is milled down into the liner. So the stripe and liner are together, one solid piece. And then we sleeve the carbon fiber over on each side to add strength and contrast and style. And because we love everything carbon fiber, we're going to use carbon fiber. Alright, so we put it in the oven and baked it and cured the epoxy so that it's super strong and it's a permanent bond that will never come apart. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to clean it up and make it look like an actual ring. So we got to clean up our edges, we've got to mill down the exterior to size, and sand and polish. Now that we have the outside done, we're going to put it on the jaws on the inside, and we're going to size the inside. And again, we're going to charge this thing up so it glows in the dark, and it's going to be super fun and pretty cool. And it's really fun every single time you do one of these passes with the cutters, and it just slowly passes through that epoxy, watching it illuminate while it's getting cut, but also all the little flakes flying off and glowing. It's really cool. It's really fun. Alright, now that we've sized the interior, we're going to sand and polish the inside to make it comfortable to wear. And the result of all that work is the Solstice ring. It's an offset exterior stripe with a matching Lume liner on the inside, milled from the exact same part so that it glows brighter and longer. And then we put carbon fiber on the edges for style, strength, hypoallergenicness, if that's even a word, and because it looks cool and it's carbon fiber. And we're going to put that on everything we possibly can. Trust me. Thanks for watching. And you can pick one of these up at www.carbonfi.com, and we have a promo code down below. So if you watch the video, go ahead and use that code that's down below in the description. There's also a link down there to save you some time.